Thank you for calling. Can I help you?
Hi.
Yes.
Hi, good morning. Hi, this is Patrick. I'm with a company called... So we're an ingredient materials developer and glove manufacturer, and we just developed a new coating material for our safety work gloves. And we're looking to partner with more distributors or suppliers to carry our line or even for internal use. Would you be interested in reviewing our newest glove? It'll only take a minute.
Where are you guys at?
Our headquarters is in Washington State. And so, and we manufacture our coated gloves on site. And so it's a glove similar to durability, but with a tackier grip for better handling. And our glove features antibacterial fabric, a skin-safe coating, reinforced knit to prevent leakage, and it does have touchscreen compatibility.
Okay. Would you send me a brochure or something? Or
this is what we're going to do. Well, first off, and so our gloves are, they're manufactured on site in Washington State, and they can be retail ready and hand tagged with a 1-day ship lead time to Texas, from here. Right. And so the reason I'm calling is to see if you'd be open to a quick Zoom call with my operations manager to see if this would work for you, and then after the call, we can set up some free samples for you.
Okay, then can we schedule something later this week?
Yeah. So what's better, Wednesday or Thursday?
Thursday.
Okay. In your Central Time, right?
Yes.
Okay. What if we did, how is 2 o'clock your time?
Let me check what...
7th.
That'd be good.
On the 7th? Okay. And then we're going to send you a calendar invite and a link. Your email, please.
And then...
Okay.
At, just like the sorority, the letter .com.
Okay, so it's .com.
Correct.
And is that your first name?
Yes. Yep.
Okay, I know it's not an email, but okay. Okay. And then are you the safety manager?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then just before I let you go, what brand of coated gloves do you currently carry or use?
I have to go dig it out. I just, we usually buy from somewhere here local.
You buy somewhere local?
Around here. Yeah, from one of the safety stores here.
You buy local from a safety store? Okay. And then you just don't, so you don't know, you'd have to look up. You don't know offhand what brand they are? Okay.
No.
That's okay.
But I'll let you know Thursday.
Yeah, of course. And then how much volume do you currently see from your safety gloves?
We're a small company. We're not that big. We have probably about 10, 12, maybe 10 to 15 guys that really need them for the field. Yeah, for field and mechanical.
So it's about 10 to 15 guys using for field and mechanical. Okay.
Yeah, I know field and mechanical work.
And then so this would be, are you looking to distribute the gloves or just be used for the employees?
No, it'd be just for users.
Okay. For your guys, the 10 to 15 guys. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So we will we'll send you a calendar invite and a link for the Zoom call for November 7th at 2 o'clock.
Okay.
All right. We look forward to it. Have a great rest of the week.
Thank you.
Thank you.